I didn't really think of myself as anything but an actor. I also knew that I could give some honor to the profession of acting.
I heard these stories that you used to set your alarm to wake up in the middle of the night to watch movies so you could study, and that you also would monitor your own emotions.
If you're good, you have an insight into people's behavior that is slightly more than the issue of can you see the motivation? Can you see the reason why you might know more? And I did.
Is this your life's work? Is this the most important thing you think you will do in your life, this work on civics?
Yes, what I'm doing in terms of civics is the most important thing that I am spending my life on. I'm doing something to save my country. We're an amazing accident of history. If you can say that you have America in your blood, you are accepting a compliment that it was a massive compliment, a massive miracle of forward thinking.